Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Gemini Earn for yield on supported assets. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. In this video, we will guide you through the process of activating Gemini Earn for yield on your. First, open the Gemini mobile app or visit the Gemini website. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Earn section on the main dashboard. In the Earn section, you will see an option to activate Gemini Earn. Click on the Activate button to proceed. Next, you may be prompted to review the terms and conditions associated with Gemini Earn. Read through the information carefully and then select the option to agree. After agreeing to the terms, you will be asked to select the assets you wish to earn yield on. Choose from the list of supported assets available for Gemini Earn. Once you've made your selections, confirm your choices by clicking Continue. You may then be prompted to enter additional verification information if required. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any necessary verification steps. After verification, review your selected assets and the corresponding yields. When ready, click on the Confirm button to activate Gemini Earn. Your selected assets will now start earning yield. You can track your earnings and manage your assets in the Earn dashboard. That's all there is to it. Gemini Earn is now activated for your supported assets. You're ready to start earning yields on your investments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.